Apicius proposes this preparation for flamingo and adds that it also goes well with parrot. I'm preparing it with a duck, but it works as well with chicken. The fowl is, like in many historical fowl recipes, parboiled before roasting it, a procedure that guarantees that the meat is completely cooked, doesn't get dry, yet still roasted crunchy. It's a fantastic cooking hack, and I've started to do that in contemporary cooking and with chicken too. The bird is served with a sweet and sour spice sauce with dates.